Welcome to day 15 of our married life. Today we went to Walmart. Shopping as a married couple is actually a lot of fun until someone says, "Do we really need that?" Instead of buying random items, we came with a grocery list. Having a list helps us stay on budget, avoid impulse buying, and make sure we have healthy meals planned for the weeks ahead. We're choosing vegetables, fruits, proteins, rice, and other essentials. Meal planning may not sound exciting, but it saves time, reduces food waste, and helps us avoid ordering takeout when we're too tired to cook. One thing I've learned is that grocery shopping together is like a teamwork challenge. One pushes the cart and pay everything. The other checks the list and somehow we still end up asking, "Did you forget anything?" Today's shopping trip reminded me that building a home starts with simple things like planning meals, managing a budget, and making decisions together. Marriage isn't just about romantic dates, it's also about growing as a team in everyday life. So after that, I prepared some food for us. Let's watch. So after shopping, today's menu is my own version of ground pork with potatoes in a light batchoy style broth. It's warm, comforting, easy to make, and perfect for sharing with family. Let's start cooking. I'm cutting now the ingredients. We have potatoes, onions, garlic, and a few vegetables to make the soup more nutritious and aromatic. That is only a bit of salt. You know what? Chopping vegetables is actually very relaxing unless the onions decide to make you cry. I always wonder, am I crying because of the onions or because I miss Filipino food? Just kidding. Cooking is one of my favorite ways to express love. Every slice, every stir, and every ingredient reminds me that homemade meals have something special that restaurants can't always give. Now I'm trying to grate the garlic. It's a bit difficult. I need force to do that, but I survived. So there you go. I'm now putting all the ingredients in one plate so we are organized and I will not forget everything. Now I'm doing saute. Okay, it's time to saute. Put some oil. Okay, today's cooking reminded me that food is more than something we eat. It tells stories, it preserves traditions, it brings families together. And for us as newlyweds, every meal we cook together becomes another beautiful memory. So if you enjoyed today's cooking adventure, just comment, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more simple moments, Filipino recipes, and married life adventure. And one of the takeaways in our video, a house becomes a home when it is filled with love, laughter, and the aroma of a home cooked meal. Every dish carries a piece of our culture, our memories, and our love. Marriage isn't only about celebrating special occasions, it's also about enjoying everyday moments, one meal at a time. Sometimes the simplest recipe creates the warmest memories. So to all newlywed or married couples, just enjoy and serve your love of your life. So finally, it's already simmering and it's boiling. We put the bok choy for more vegetables, healthier. More protein, the healthiest. Okay, so I'm covering up now. And there you go. I'm putting the food now in our bowl. And I hope you're enjoying your meal as well, okay? Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. And now I'm setting up the table and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and learn for our simple video. Bon appetit! Thank you.